We need to be paying attention to this Bitcoin price action. I want to talk about some major warning signs that are printing on the chart, as yesterday, Bitcoin got a huge move down right from the Fibonacci golden pocket, the trade setup that was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And then we came down literally to the exact dollar, to the level we were looking for a bounce in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. However, as we look at this bounce and as we look at what's happening on the chart, in my opinion, there are some concerning signs. By the way, would you look at this juicy entry? What a knife catch.
Michael and Jason Casper and I both know how to catch a knife. I just follow Jason's analysis in the Casper Crew VIP Discord.
And so today, guys, we're going to be talking about exactly what is happening, why it's happening, and what we need to look for next. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Let's start on the daily time frame, where at the beginning of the month, Bitcoin got a very significant bounce from a very key support resistance flip going all the way back to January 2024, a very, very key area of support. And by the way, in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we did long this exact level, and I told everybody when I was taking this trade during the New York Open live stream. As you can see, I still have the trade open, but after we got a significant bounce to the upside, we got smack dab rejected by the golden pocket. If we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from that all-time high to our low, we can see that, yeah, we got rejected right from that Fibonacci golden pocket. Now, here's the thing. Is it a surprise that we got a rejection right from the Fibonacci golden pocket? The answer is no. It's not a surprise. This is something that we were ready for, interested in taking a short from. But here's the thing. I was hoping and expecting yesterday and the day before for a little bit less of a pullback here with some more bullish signs on the chart. I want to take a look at some warning signs that we have printed here, and then we're going to talk about how I plan to trade this in the future. Now, as we came up to that Fibonacci golden pocket level, we did get a pretty concerning sign. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. If we go ahead and remove all these drawings and then go ahead and re-pull our fib right here, go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that as we came into this golden pocket zone, the 618 Fibonacci level, the Bitcoin price was making a higher high. Now, when we look at our oscillator, it was making lower highs with the momentum waves on market Cipher B, the best trading indicator in the world. Shout out to CryptoFace, and also lower money flow over time. This is known as the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boob pattern, where for some reason Sam Bankman-Fried's nipples, money flow, and man breasts are getting lower as the price is getting higher right into the 618 Fibonacci level. Now, this has given us a significant move to the downside. Now, why are things looking a bit concerning here? Well, not only have we gotten a bearish divergence, but when we look at the 1 hour time frame, we are still seeing the momentum getting lower. We are still seeing the money flow coming out, coming down. And in my opinion, this is not really what I wanted to see here for our bounce. When we were looking for the long setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we wanted to see the bullish divergences and the bullish money flow as we came down to bounce from this level. But as we come down to bounce from this level, we're not really seeing those bullish signs. Now, what is the level that we actually bounced from? Because it's a very technical level. If we look at all the volume that we traded throughout the past 2 weeks, we can see that the value area low of the range is literally the exact level that we bounced from. And if we pull our Fibonacci from the last swing low to the swing high, we're also bouncing from the 786 Fibonacci. That's why we were looking at all these levels saying we got our 786, we got our value area low down here, we have a weekly level, a daily level, we got ourselves an anchored VWAP, lots of confluence down here in this very key zone of support. That's exactly where we are bouncing from right now. However, although we're getting a bounce, in my opinion, there are a few things that make me think we can come lower. Number one, last night we confirmed a red dot on the daily market Cipher B. Now, I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news, but we need to be prepared, in my opinion, for more downside, because we confirmed a red dot on market Cipher B. If we just go back and look historically at all the red dots that we have confirmed on market Cipher B throughout this range, it means the rest of the week leads to more downside, right? Ever since we started ranging here, every single red dot that we confirm on this chart, we got one here, we got one here, we got one here. I'm talking red dots above the zero line. We got one here, and now we got one right here. Every single one of these dots means the next few days is going to be bearish. Could it be different this time? Yes. Do I hope it's different this time? Yes, I do, guys. Because we are long from the lows, looking for potentially coming back to the top of the range. But we've confirmed that dot. We've got the bearish divergences on the 4 hour. We've got the bearish divergences on the 1 hour. And when we go down and look at what's happening here, we are seeing that we did not get bullish divergences as we made this low. So what are we looking for now? Well, in my opinion, based on all things considered, there's still a chance that we could see a bullish move to the upside after a little bit more downside. Where's the next area that I would personally be interested in looking for a long trade on this? Well, there's actually two areas. The first area is simply just doing a liquidity grab of these lows that we have right here. What do I mean by that? Well, when we take a look at the chart, you can see that we have these wicks to the downside. In fact, these wicks over time are making higher lows. What that means is people have taken longs from here, people have taken longs from here, people have even now taken longs from here, and their stop losses are below this level. Now, if I was a big player in the market and I wanted to buy a lot of Bitcoin, I would need people selling me their Bitcoin. Well, if a long trade gets stopped out, that is a sell order in the market book, which a market book, whatever, who cares? I'm not a trader, I'm just some guy on YouTube. Sell orders in the market book, all right? And that frees up the asset for bigger players to buy and then push the price back to the upside. So what would we be looking for here to look for actually a long trade from just taking out these lows? Well, we would look for the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern, right? Where instead of his man boobs getting lower as the price is getting higher, we want to see as the price gets lower, the man boobs getting higher, also known as the uneven butt cheek pattern, where we have a juicy left cheek and a skinny right cheek. In fact, if we just take the cheeks, superimpose the cheek onto the chart, all right, we got the cheek on the chart, right? Nice alliteration. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's what we want to see for this, right? And we'd also want to start to see these lower time frames having the money flow getting higher over time like this, right? Continue money flow getting higher, and then we get the momentum waves giving us this kind of rounded bottom, right? When you see the oscillator showing you that a bottom is in while the price is still getting lower, that's called a bullish divergence, and you can really look then for a reversal back to the upside. Now, the second place I would look for a bounce here is going to be the Fibonacci golden pocket, which comes in at around $55,000. In my opinion, if we're going to lose the Fibonacci golden pocket, this becomes very, very, very bearish. And the reason is because then we are officially like failing to maintain this bullish market structure that we've been making since August 5th when we made this low, right? We made our low, our high, our higher low, our higher high. So if we're not going to hold the golden pocket, I mean, we are just now in bearish market structure, right? Last hope scenario is we just do a quick dip into the golden pocket and then bam, right? But if we can't do that, we're looking much lower. So what am I watching right now? Well, I'm keeping my eyes on market Cipher B, specifically and Atlantically. The 1 hour, the 24 minute, the 12 minute. I want to really see this oscillator start to turn bullish. I want to see this money flow on the 1 hour start to come back up. I would love to see a nice juicy looking divergence here on the 1 hour as we come to one of those levels. If we don't see that, well, guys, hold your shorts, because there's a really good chance that we could see us make another lower low. The last red dot we formed on market Cipher B gave us a lower low. The time before that, the red dot gave us a lower low. The time before that, the red dot gave us a lower low. So if this pattern of high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low continues, there's a really good chance we come down to the $43,000 level. $43,000 is a very key zone of support for many reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is because if we pull the fib from that major swing low that we did last summer to the all-time high, it's this golden pocket lining up perfectly with this area of consolidation from January. So that would be my next target to the downside if we fail to hold these key supports that I've just outlined for you. By the way, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins without KYC, BLOFIN right now is offering the best deal in the world. 10% cash back on your deposit, no matter what it is, up to $2,000 future bonus, plus a chance to win all these juicy prizes. I'm also trading on MEXC, which does require KYC, and if you're in the US, you can get a PALU ID to trade on MEXC. In the United States, that's how I'm doing it. But this has the best deal on fees where you can literally scalp the 5-second time frame and be profitable with market orders, because the fees are only 0.01%. Market order fee, 0% limit order fee. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we have multiple instructors giving the setups in advance, walking you through their price action, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link right here to join the VIP Discord, where we have an entire beginner's course, multiple instructors live streaming multiple times a day, telling you what they're looking for, what their next trades are for crypto and futures and stocks and all that great stuff. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and may God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!